Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I must say I am disappointed in Umusa, the way he handles Usne. Guys, I just feel like at some point in parenting, yes, it's important for you to speak calmly nengane, but at some point, guys, especially when a person is no longer a child, you need to learn how to be firm. Usne is sitting there busy talking, busy saying ukuthi yena ayikho into azayikhuluma and whatnot, and Umsile was just sitting there calmly, even when Usne was busy back chatting and speaking so rudely kumangwabe. Umukuzana Umusa just sat there and did nothing. You see that work Umangwabe did. I feel like Umusa should have done it, because there's no way as a father you're just going to sit like that and allow a child to disrespect one of your wives like that. I get, guys, the thing that even annoyed me is when Usne's like, hey, this is my father's house. Who spoke about, oh gosh, Kelly, who spoke about that? But you know, the sad thing is that one day, guys, this is life. One day, Umusa's not going to be around. Usne vel avana mama. Who, and the day when Matayele is not around, what is she going to do? So why is she burning bridges with these wives, as if Konindabai Mangayo, or as if Babangin daughter or something like that? I just feel like Usne Aingege. Umbali said it herself. Usne akathathi kahle. She said ukuthi Sne is not fully developed mentally. Because what was this, you guys? The thing is, Usne had an opportunity to clarify the role issue, to clarify issues, but she just stood there and kept quiet and was saying comments that were not even related to the stuff that she said on the podcast. There in a diary session, she's saying ukuthi Lokuzana Umbali wangifikela nge-5 kg empuphu and all of that. I'm just like, you are hungry, were you not? The things that Umbali got for you, could you afford it yourself? You're busy talking about abantu can't chase you out of your father's house. The same father's house that you refused to clean. Hi, Sne. Hi. At some point we were speaking up for Usne, but she's no longer a child, you guys. And the thing is, Tina, as the viewers, yes, we'll be there. There'll be some people who will speak for her, but at the end of the day, guys, when we are done watching Uthando Nesithembu, we go back to our own lives. So Usne angaphilela abantu, and people telling her ukuthi vele umangwabu ukhohlakele vele umaphumala akakufuni and whatnot, because one day she's going to need those people. Oh, guys, now I was just so surprised. I was just even more surprised. Ngomusa uthule akakhulumi next. Umaphumala-ke, she decided ukuthi akazingeni. But you know what? Umbali stood on business, and I feel like she did what a mother needs to do. She did what her mother needs to do, because usne shame that thing yokuthi umhlalisa phansi ukhuluma naye kahle. Nah, it's not gonna work. She needed to be told indaba zakhe, and clearly she cannot face them, because she could not even sit down to speak through a conversation. Anyway, let's park it right there, you guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Hypo, guys, how can I forget to mention this? That scene between Umnini and Umusa, yo, guys, it was so sweet. It was so cute. It just reminded me ukuthi Umusa really loves his children, and his children really love him. But at some point, guys, hey, even if you love your children, please, because you're not going to be around forever, and people in the world are not going to treat your children the way you treat them. They're not going to have the patience for your children the way you have the patience. So make sure ukuthi uyabaqeqesha, so that when you're not around, zikhona ukuphila nabanye abantu. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.